Hello friends, welcome to Stock Market Pulse. I am Nitika. Let's check the pulse of stock market. So today we are going to discuss important global market update, important US indices, and some FII sellings and all. And along with that, I will analyze the Nifty 50 chart and we'll discuss some important key level for the next week. And yes, all about the stock market in one video. So to know the Nifty 50 level and important stock market update, stay connected till then and smash the like button and subscribe the channel for regular stock market update and indices levels update. So let's start the video with the indices update, US indices update, Indian stock market indices update, and I'm showing this table, and you can see the Indian stock market was outperforming on the Friday. You can see here, and it was with all the Nifty 50, Nifty Bank, even Sensex, all were even more than 1.2%. Equally, they were at same level. See, 1.29, 1.29, 1.2. So all were outperforming on Friday, and as I already discussed the Nifty Bank chart and levels also in yesterday video, in Saturday video, you can check that video with the important SGB Financial uh, Services IPO. I discussed about that and detailed all the detail about the IPO I have discussed in that video. Before the IPO is coming, you should definitely know all the information about this IPO and go through that video and definitely check that. And I will give that video in I button and even description box also. Please aware with all the information of the IPO SDB Financial Services IPO. So this was important to update, and this the market was doing very good on Friday. If you see the US market, what happened there? So US market is like DJI, you can see, is not that it is looking very flat, and even the S&P 500, Nasdaq, all were looking negative. So these are showing some negative sign, but I will not say that it is very bad, and it is going to affect the market on Monday. We should look it up for next week what is happening. As you all know that the Israel and Iran war conflict is going on, the war is going on, and even America is also supposed to jump in that. So all these things are geopolitical situations and condition are going on. That you should definitely keep watch on these things happening and all these updates, as definitely they are going to affect the market, the global market also, Indian market also. So you should check all these news, or otherwise the important update is that this conflict is actually looking like lengthening, is escalating. This war is Israel and Iran war. So this definitely going to affect in next week. You should check, and you should keep check on that. If we say so, market is US market is not looking that good, and even all the indices looking negative. So let's check for the next week what happens, how it is performing. If you talk about the Brent oil, which is very important, you can see the Brent oil is trading at 77.67, which was highest on the Friday. But as I discussed in my last week video, the Brent oil reached its high of 78 point something. I think it reached to 78, around 79 के आसपास भी पहुंच गया था लास्ट वीक में Brent oil because of this war. So अभी के लिए I we can say कि the yes, it has little bit cooled down since last week, but last week क्या मतलब कि last day, Thursday, Friday, but still it is on rise and it is rising. and it can be a means can impact the market in next week again. So we have to check on these, keep watch on this Brent oil prices. I already discussed the chart in my last video. For the whole chart, what will be the important situation means कहाँ तक price जा सकता है, that all I have discussed in my last video. You can go through that video. So Brent oil prices is very important. Or yes, it has little bit cooled down, but still it is rising, and this is not a good sign. But if we see the gold is rising, also trading at good level. It is I think Indian INR mein means 99 98 around, it is trading. The gold is doing good, trading at good level 3400. And silver is already, it's on all time high at more than 1 lakh, 1 lakh 7,000 something the silver is trading. So all these commodity is trading means at high level, we can say. And this is Brent oil. If rising price is not very good sign. So let's see what happens. But what is effect now currently, what is the effect of this Brent oil on our Indian market, that I will show in the chart, Nifty 50 chart. So this is important thing. And if we check about the FII selling, so yes, FIIs has bought on Friday, and it is around 8,000 crore they have bought on Friday, means 7,940 something. So around 8,000 they have bought, but yes, the DIS has sold around 3,000 crore. So the balancing, we can say 4,000 around something. But yes, 4,800 something. But yes, net buying, we can say 4,800 something. But yes, FIs has bought, but DIS are selling. So this is the important update about the FIs buying, which is FIs buying is like thumbs up. That's why the market was very good on Friday. Even Nifty 50 also, Nifty Bank also. So this is showing a positive sign. So all in all, some signs are good, some signs are positive, and some signs are negative, and they though all these signs are going to affect the market, going to impact the market. So let's quickly check the Nifty 50 chart now, so that we will come to know actually what was happening last week in the Nifty 50. And you can see I have drawn this important support line, this one. And this is the important trend line which I have drawn. You should see this, which actually very important. As I in my last video I was discussing, like I was feeling like it may be a as market was very good on this day, so I was expecting some breakout from the Nifty 50. Even Nifty Bank may already breakout already happened. It is done, but it's still it could not sustain in last week. But last to last week, this week I'm talking about this week. 1 2 3 4 5, this week the breakout was looking like it was on verge to give the breakout Nifty 50, but it did not give the breakout. It could not sustain, even went up of this level, which was the 26,100. 26,100 was the resistance, and it has broken this. But from here, immediately it has taken the resistance at this level at 25,200 around has taken resistance. And then the breakout could not sustain, and it fell down and even came to this support, which was 24,400. I always giving this support, which I feel is very important support, which is 24,400. This support is very important, and I'm not uh, uh, expecting to break this support in near term, means short term, at least next week, because this support is very important. Why should break it? और अगर कि कोई बहुत बड़ी न्यूज़ बैड न्यूज़ नहीं आती है, सो आई डोंट थिंक इट इज़ गोइंग टू ब्रेक दिस important support. But yeah, if it's breaking, it may fall more, but I'm not jumping on that level. I will be sticking with this level only, which is 24,400. And And this 20 EMA is also giving a very important support, which is 24,800 to 700. We can say 700 to here, yes, 700 to 800 is also very important. If we roughly we can say 24,800, it is also okay. So you see here, this support, the Nifty 50 is actually it has been stuck in this support, this range I am showing. So till, up till and until it is not breaking this above upside or breaking this line downside, there's no worry about anything. Nifty 50 will be trading in within this range, and it is already stuck in this range I am talking about, this range. So don't think like Nifty 50 is going to crash or Nifty 50 going to touch the all time high. No, this situation is not going to come till it is not breaking either side. So there is two side strategy can be possible for the coming days, as either upside, okay, then it will go little up till here, और अगर नीचे की साइड में तोड़ता है तो it is like more downside we can see. अभी के लिए like I am not expecting any kind of uh, breakout or breakdown. अभी मुझे लगता है कि like it will be trading within this range. And here तो I told that 24,400 support, but here it can be a 25,300 to 350, roughly we can say 300. और लास्ट टाइम भी मैंने ये 300 टू 350 का रेंज आई हैव गिवन द रेजिस्टेंस, एंड स्टिल आई एम स्टिकिंग विद द सेम रेजिस्टेंस ऑफ 25,350. तो 25,350 हियर, it can be, it can work as a strong resistance, and Nifty 50 again will take resistance here and again will start taking falling, start falling. This support is also a one support very important, which is 24,000. If I take 700 to 800, so you should be mindful with this in between level also, which I'm taking this here. This is also very important support. So overall, the important what all happened I just discussed in the chart, and we, the and on the basis of the technical analysis and these chart, I can only tell, I can only discuss the important support and level. Otherwise all is dependent on the important news and the update which is going on around. So wo that is not in my control, that the news will come and then market will react on that. So overall if we say, तो निफ्टी 50 का ये सपोर्ट इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट 24,400, and then after before this after breaking this 24,700, this one. Otherwise, and resistance will be the 25,350 again. So I have discussed all the important global market FI selling, and as I already discussed that I have posted the Nifty Bank and STB Financial Services IPO detail, and you check that video. And along with that, the Bajaj Finance is already trading at trading after split and bonus. I have updated on that only this 16 June. The Bajaj Finance has started trading after split and bonus, and it is I think around trading at 800 price something. So that has all already happened. So all these thing update, all these update I wanted to share. And I will repeat the level again for the Nifty 50. Support 24,400 after breaking 24,700, and resistance is 25,350 for the next week. So for the others also, please like and share the video and subscribe the channel also for this kind of regular stock market update, stock market news, and indices levels update all about the stock market in one video. Signing off.